So that 1 plus cot square theta into 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1. It is RHS, it is LHS. We take LHS and prove RHS. LHS 1 plus cos square theta into 1 plus 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. What is that? A minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Now, in second step, 1 plus cot square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 square cos square theta. Now, from identity, first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Here sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. And another identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. In place of 1 plus cot square theta, you write cosec square theta. In place of 1 minus cos, in place of 1 plus cot square theta, you write cosec square theta into, in place of 1 minus cos square theta, you write sin square theta. But sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. In place of sin square theta, you write 1 by cosec square theta. Cosec square theta into 1 by cosec square theta. Cosec square theta cancel. 1 1. Answer is 1. That is RHS. Hence proved. Second problem. Prove that under root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Take LHS. LHS under root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Rationalizing with numerator, under root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. In numerator, a minus b into a minus b is equals to a minus b whole square. In denominator, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay. Now convert into the formula. 1 minus sin theta whole square and by 1 square minus sin square theta. From first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. In place of 1 minus sin square theta, you write cos square theta under root of 1 minus sin theta. Root, separate root, numerator, denominator, separate root, whole square by under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Now root square root cancel. In denominator 1 minus sin theta by, in denominator under root cos square theta. From first identity, square root cancel. 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by cos theta separate. 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by cos theta secant theta. minus sin theta by cos theta tan theta. That is RHS. Hence root tan a plus b is equals to 1, cos a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2. Then find a and b. Take tan a plus b is equals to 1. Tan a plus b is equals to tan 45 value is 1. So write tan 40. Tan cancel. A plus b is equals to 45. Equation 1. Cos a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2. Cos a minus b is equals to cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Cos cancel. A minus b is equals to 30 degrees. Equation 2. Now this 2 a plus b, a minus b, add this two equation, b cancel, a value will come. Equation 1 is equation 2. Add these two equations. A plus b is equals to 45 degrees. A minus b is equals to 30 degrees. Plus b minus b cancel. A plus a, 2a is equals to 75 degrees. A is equal to 75 by 2. 37.5. A is equal to 37.5. Now a value substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 implies a minus b is equals to 30 degrees. 30 degrees is equals to a minus b. In place of b, take its side, this side, b is equals to a minus 30. 37.5 minus 30. B value is 7.5. If x is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta, then prove that x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is LHS, it is RHS, but we are given x value and y value. X is equals to a secant theta. Okay, squaring on both sides. X square is equals to a square a secant theta whole square. Okay, x square is equals to a square secant square theta. A square is multiplying here. Take a left side, then it will divide. X square by a square is equals to secant square theta. It is 1. Now take y is equals to b tan theta. Same squaring on both sides. Y square is equals to b tan theta whole square. Y square is equals to b square tan square theta. Here b square is multiplying. You take left side, then divide. Y square by b square is equals to tan square theta. It is equation 2. Now in this problem, it is LHS, it is RHS. Take LHS. What is LHS? X square by a square minus y square by b square. Now x square by a square. Here is x square by a square. What is the value of x square by a square? Secant square theta. And y square by b square. Here y square by b square value is tan square theta. It is the second equation. Substitute here minus tan square theta. It is the identity. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. That is RHS. Next question, fifth question. If A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sin A plus B by 2 plus cos A plus B by 2 is equals to cos of C by 2 plus sin of C by 2. Interior angles means A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Now divide with 2 both sides. Divide with 2 both side. Okay. A plus B plus C by 2 is equals to 180 by 2. 2 1 the 290 the. Okay. Here in the problem LHS A plus B by 2. Okay. In right side C by 2. So to write like this, A plus B by 2 my plus C by 2 is equals to 90. You take C by 2 in right side, so here is plus sign, it becomes minus sign. A plus B by 2 is equals to 90 minus C by 2. Okay. Now take LHS. Take LHS. What is LHS? Sin A plus B by 2. Okay. Plus cos A plus B by 2. Okay. It is LHS. In place of A plus B by 2, you write 90 minus C by 2. Sin of 90 minus C by 2 plus cos of 90 minus C by 2. In first quadrant, 90 sin 90 minus theta is becomes cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. Okay, it is from first quadrant rule. Now sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, it is theta, it is theta. So sin theta means sin C by 2, sorry, sin becomes cos C by 2 plus here cos 90 minus theta, sin C by 2. So write like this, sin C by 2 plus cos C by 2. It is RHS. Proved. Value of this tan square 60 plus cot square 30 degrees by sin square 30 plus cos square 60. Now the substitute values of this tan square 60 root 3 whole square plus cot square 30 same root 3 whole square by sin square 30. What is the value of 30 sin 30? 1 by 2 whole square. Same cos square 60 value 1 by 2 whole square. Now square root cancel, 3 plus 3 by 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now denominator is 4 same, so add these two. 3 by 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 by 4, that means 6 into 4 by 2. 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. Answer is 12.